Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Hello, my name is Masego Tjabaka. I am the founder of Spick and Span Laundry Room. We are a laundry room service. We wash, we clean, and we do all things spick and span. The pitch was nerve-wracking. I actually have a fear of public speaking. This was my first time pitching. I am actually really proud of myself because I'm facing a fear just so that I can see my business grow. So I'm really proud of myself. I'm happy that it happened, and come what may, I'll still be proud. You can contact us at 067 999 2926. We are located at Rustenburg North. Hi, my name is Masego Tjabaka, and I'm a township entrepreneur.